Hi guys, and welcome to another Tribe Forex FX case studies. Today is August 18th, 2014, and with me here I've got one of our senior traders, Nino. How are you, Nino?
I'm great, Marcello. How are you?
Awesome, doing great.
Before we get started, I just wanted to mention that the past week was a great week of trading based upon your daily analysis. Anybody wants to check, they can go into the website and see basically the total pip count we got for this week. Well, last week, and I can say that it was truly excellent based upon your daily analysis videos that you put out every evening.
Oh, thank you so much. I really appreciate the acknowledgement. Obviously I'm here because I love what I do. Also, I love to make a difference in people's lives, and that's what we're here doing. I got to acknowledge you guys for getting out here and actually getting it done. And guys, by the way, Nino is one of my senior. I mean, he's been with me forever. So if you have any questions about anything, he can pretty much answer any question that you have, as well as I can, or sometimes maybe even better. So when you find him on the site, just go ahead and ask him whatever you will, and he will most likely have an answer for you. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get into this. So today on our FX case studies, we're going to highlight one particular trade. We took a trade. We actually had a trade call on August 13th. August 13th, we called a dollar yen buy. So we had a buy bias for the dollar yen, and we placed our buy at 1.0232. Okay, now guys, if you look here on the right hand side next to the video on the home page, you're going to notice that we have these FX trade signals. Now they are color coded. So what you'll have here is you'll have green, which means that we won the trade. You'll have red, which means that we lost the trade, and then you'll have yellow, which means that we were break even on the trade. Now, if it isn't color coded at all, if it's completely blank, that means that we did not take the trade. So that means that price never hit that entry. We never got into the trade, and so there was no call to give for that. So green is win, red is loss, yellow is break even, and no color, it means we never entered the trade. So on August 13th, we made a trade call, okay, and that trade call was a buy at 1.0232 on the dollar yen. And so basically when we make a trade call on August 13th, that means we're taking it on August 14th. So let's go ahead and take a look at our charts here. So here on August 13th, let's see if we can find it. August 13th, we made a buy trade. As you can see on the daily chart that I'm on here, we actually did win that trade. Let's go down to a lower time frame where we actually took this trade. So if you look here, what you'll notice is at 1.0232, which is exactly where my bar is, we got into a buy trade. So let's go back to the date in question. So the date in question was August 14th. You can see that price came down, bounced off this area on August 14th, gave us a beautiful buy opportunity, two of them actually, one here, which was for profit, and a second one here, which gave us a reversal candle and a triple threat. Three. So when we got in those trades, they gave us a great opportunity, and we actually took that trade all the way up. So I want to talk to you about that because it actually closed us out somewhere in this vicinity up here. So I'll talk to you about that. Actually, I think I recorded it, so that's one of the reasons that I decided to use this particular trade as our FX case study. So basically, we called the trade 1.0232. You're going to put the line on your chart down here at 102.32. Then I hit auto buy for a buy trade, okay? And then price comes down. It gets us into the buy. Price comes down. It gives us the reversal candle signal right on our line or very close to that line. And then the automation will automatically take the trade. It will manage the trade and will exit the trade at that time. So let's take a look at the video that we have on that. So the very beginning of this video, we entered the trade, okay? You can see where it entered. This actually entered on the triple threat signal. So I wanted to kind of catch it for you guys. And this video is actually 12 minutes long, But what we ended up doing here is watching it run all the way up. Now we could have gotten in on the reversal. This is a reversal candle here. We ended up getting in on the triple threat 3 pattern. And if you look at it, price comes right up. We have our stealth, SL, and TP on. And it really gives us a good exit at 102.48. So we get basically, on this one, it was a very good opportunity. Now, we had multiple opportunities here. We got a 2 or a 3 to 1 ratio win on this had we taken the reversal candle. But we ended up having taking a 1 to 1 ratio on this particular trade, or 1 and 1.5 ratio on this particular trade. Actually, it's a 1 to 1 ratio. Okay, so we risked 1%. We made 1% on this trade. You could have obviously, if you took the reversal candle here, you could have easily gotten 3 to 1 out of this trade. And if you look at it, this is where our stop loss, our take profit actually hits. And I'm moving it forward a little bit for you. And you can see how it just takes that trade, gets out of that trade, and you see what happened here. The stop loss actually moved up, so now we have no risk on the trade, and the trade can continue to run. So that's basically that trade. So basically, guys, we set it at 102.32 because of areas of support and resistance, the pods that we had on the higher time frame. Price comes down, forms nice reversal candle to confirm that those are areas that we can take a buy at. And the automation, or you could have easily just taken a manual trade here and made significant profits off of it. Okay, but here we took it automated, and that automation moved it to break even and continued to run the trade all the way up. Okay, and that is pretty much our trade of the day in our FX case studies. The dollar yen forecasted on August 13th, 2014, and taken on August 14th, 2014. Is there anything else you'd like to add here, Nino, at all?
Nah, that was a great example. I'm glad you used it. Plus, you also reveal how the automated systems going to be working, so it kind of give them a feel for your automation. So that was a great example. I like that one.
Thank you very much. I appreciate that.
I have to give you the credit because you chose that one there. We didn't even decided to go over them. You just said, hey, this is a great one to take. So I have to give you credit on that one. Great one.
No, I appreciate that. And you guys, what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to get some more of these kinds of examples that are really clear cut for you. It's going to help you to trade. I've tried to make this system as simple as possible, really straightforward. If we execute, guys, this market can be easy and really straightforward. It does not have to be difficult. It's about the way we decide to execute. You can really shape your life in the way that you want to shape it, have the lifestyle that you want if you're consistent with this over time. Okay? If you're just consistent with this over time, you can create the life that you want. You can trade as much as you want or as little as you want. Okay? The average trader, the average money manager loses money, but the ones who win or make money, they make 20% per year. If you had just a few of these trades, if you just did one of these trades per month, mind you, and we're doing these every single day, you could start your own management fund. That's all you need. You would be making your clients 30% per year, and you'd be chilling out just the way that I am, by my pool every day, helping, nonprofits, doing whatever it is that really you have a passion for in life besides Forex as well. Okay? So guys, consider that. This is our trade for the day. Thank you guys, and thank you very much, Nino, for being a part of this particular broadcast. Guys, if you want to be a part of this broadcast, I'm going to let other members come in and really begin to contribute the way that Nino continually does every day. I'm going to let you come in and also contribute as well in these sessions that we do every Monday, right around about 1 o'clock p.m. Okay, so if you guys are interested in that, let me know. All the best, guys. We'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.